Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Tuesday. It is August 1st, the first day of August. Hard to believe. And this is the summary report for day number 62, I believe. But yeah, just wasn't a good day. We had our first red day in quite some time. Um, Yeah, it was. Let's just, you know what? Let's not waste a lot of time. Let's just dive in. Um, Again, today's price action, nothing pretty. And it was just a lot of a range day, I would consider it. But kind of where I got killed this morning was just again, um, we made a move, made a little bit of a move here in the morning. Then we had a big sell off, and also keeping in mind, we had a really big sell off overnight. So when we started selling off here, this big sell off, I was looking for a continuation on that sell off. And actually, on this pullback right here, I entered right here on this pullback, got my first, second profit target. Everything was good. Then just had a terrible entry, terrible chase. I was just chasing this price here. Immediately got stopped out. But then again, we were trying to. We've talked about this a lot, but we had another V-shaped reversal, and on these V-shaped reversals, I hate it. We get killed. I get destroyed on these. So again, twice, 2 trades here in a row, get stopped out. Just frustrating. Very frustrating. We had a pullback here, changed my bias, after we made new highs here. Went long right here, and we did have a nice trade here. Got my first profit target here, second profit target here. Happy with that trade. Then after this pullback, and we had a nice bounce here off VWAP, and I was trying to get myself to, being that we're in a range day again, I was trying to get myself to buy at the bottom of the range, and I did that here, which was good, but I was way too impatient with my trade. Took my profit way too early, and obviously you can see would have been a really nice trade, but just did not. Yeah, I just took my profit way too early. Wasn't patient enough on letting that trade work. Would have been a really nice trade. Here, did go short right here, or I went long right here, sorry. Long trade here, did take profit, and then I got stopped out at break even here. Here, took a short trade on this move down. I did get my profit taken right here, took my first target, and then got stopped out at break even again. Then when this sell off here, this was a mistake. Again, when I'm trading, when we're in a range day, I'm really, really trying to train myself not to trade these breakouts. Trading breakouts on a range day is just asking for trouble. But I did it here. Just couldn't help myself. Basically, this 24, 25 range has been a really key area of support. And on this big red candle down, when we sold through that support, I shorted here. And of course, we just rip straight back up, stop me out. And we actually end up making new highs on that move. And then the rest of the day here, this was more just me chasing price. Bad trades, just bad trades here. No other way around it. So it is what it is. We got stopped out twice in a row here. What's so frustrating about this move at the end, I was looking to short here. I was looking to short here. My thesis, my bias was that we're going to sell off into the close. So I was looking for shorts, but my timing was terrible. And I just got stopped out, basically got stopped out on all my short entries that I tried. And then the move went without me. And that's just how it goes some days. Some days is just not your day. And today was one of those days. We just could not, seemed like I just could not, even though I had, I saw what I liked and I took trades based off of that, obviously. I like the price action. After this big sell off again, we went through the 25s, went through support, waited for a little bit of a pullback to go short, but we just kept ripping higher, took out my stop, and then proceeded to sell right back down to where I wanted. A little bit frustrating, I'll be honest, but it is what it is. All right, let's look at trade seller. We forgot to do that again yesterday, so try to do better with remembering that. But so first day of the month, starting off not quite like I'd like to, but yeah, we negative $433. And if we look at last month, actually, so we actually didn't really want to talk about it, but we had 14 days in a row without a red day. I mean, I basically class that as a break-even day, but definitely some progress made. Obviously today, red day, it is what it is. We can't have green days all the time. So the key is going to be how we recover from it and make sure that this is not the start of a red streak. So anyway, that's it for today. And hopefully we will see a little better price action. The last 2 days have been kind of brutal with just a lot of sideways, a lot of range bound trading. But I mean, if I can't trade those kind of range days, then I have to learn to just not trade at all. So definitely need to, kind of a lesson with discipline and patience today. So the thing is about today, what's also frustrating was if I just open my trades here, you can see started off a little bit green and then, had drawdown of like $400. But we actually battled our way back to where we were only like negative $70. So battle our way back. And I actually feel like part of that was trying to force a little bit of trades here. And of course, I think we had three consecutive losing trades. And then we ended the day basically at the low of where we were at. So just a lesson in being more patient. I was definitely, you can see here, 1, 2, 3, last 4 trades, just being basically just forcing trades. That was the biggest issue. I was just forcing trades where stuff that wasn't there and not being patient with my entries, waiting for, basically where my stop loss is where my entry should have been. And still trying to figure that out. So, all right, that's it. That's all. We shall continue this journey tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and God bless.